Recording.
Uh-huh.
Alright, don't get on my face, I'm ugly. Alright, so this is the valve cover gasket, you know. Damn it, I fucked up. What the fuck? Alright, so this is for a 5.7 HEMI. This is gonna how to be to replace the valve cover gasket. First, you're gonna remove your ignition coils. These shit should be loosened up enough so I can just pull the bitches out.
Dang, got limits.
Guess not. First, you're gonna want to pull the wires out of them, of course. Pull them out. See how dirty this shit is?
Let's get in there.
Tripping. Ooh, this one. Shit won't come out. Heard it?
Yeah.
This shit's still warm too. I'm mad I don't got my other extension. Wonder where that shit went off to. Seems like all my shit go missing.
Look at me for, I don't take it.
You stealing tools.
Yeah. Selling them on eBay. That's how I bought your Christmas gift.
For real. Sell my extension back down. Get my shit back.
I seen your Christmas present. Hopefully it go on sale. You be looking tight.
You look tight. Oh no. I
Your
don't want to
birthday
look
gift.
like a faggot now.
You know what I mean, you idiot.
Alright. It's still coordinated.
Yeah.
Alright. So for the ignition coils, for that, the socket is gonna be a 10. For the valve cover screws, the socket is gonna be an 8. And if y'all doing the passenger side, I wish y'all luck. Cause that shit ain't no joke. I got it done, but it was not fun at all.
I remember I was texting you and you weren't texting back. I said it's so long.
Yeah, my shit was fucked up. Alright, and this should be 10 bolts and all to hold it on. Those bolts down there. All these bolts down there.
I don't think I see.
So yeah, they probably can't. But yeah, I want you to end it, right?
Okay.
All right. So the way I got to these ones down there, my nice little flex wrench. Harbor Freight is the way to go. All right. Want to make sure all these shits is loosened. What the fuck was I doing?
She must have used the wrong one, buddy.
No, it's the right one.
You sure?
Yeah. I wonder why these so fucking tight.
You still tight?
I should have replaced the screws too. I'm taking them out. I might as well replace them. Oh well, it don't matter.
Is it loosening up?
Yeah. You're gonna want them real jiggly. Real jiggly. Like that.
Like what? Do it again?
like that.
Okay. Had to make sure I got it.
Yeah. So when they get like that, all you have to do is pry the fucking cover off. Cause the cover gonna be sticking up there, boy. See, if you can see it.
Let me see.
You're gonna have to pull them. So if you could pull it out like that, you good with no type of. Yeah. Like I was saying, on the passenger side, good luck for anybody that's doing that side. That's no joke.
You cold, Monte?
I'm good. Gotta make sure the bottom is out.
The elbow.
That shit ashy, ain't it?
What's this?
That covers up the for your shocks.
Oh.
Yeah. If you pop it open, you'll see the 3 bolts that go to the shocks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That bolt tight as hell back there.
Let's get in there. Let's get the action.
Oh, you funny.
Freak. Can't get no wings.
Beat the fuck out this car.
Stop.
Let me stop fucking around. Alright, so y'all go back and check again. Make sure the bolts are wiggly. So you know, this shit'll come up nice and easy. Well, it's not gonna come up nice and easy, but you know. I mean,
Keep talking. I'm recording, nigga.
No, I was just asking. Y'all might want to use plastic, but I'm gonna use this metal one. You're gonna want to get up under, find a good spot, and that shit gonna pop right off. It may be rough to get it out, but it's gonna pop off. I'll get back to y'all when I get it out. Alright, so y'all gonna wanna cover up y'all spark plug holes. I don't have enough towel, so I'm just gonna cover up the first 2, whatever. As you can see, yeah, that needs to be changed. Let's see if we can get up under this. Probably can't. Nope. If you have your tab, I'll start from the tab.
Want me to hold it with it? Hold it?
No, I got it. Try to get under the tab.
Oh, that is not the gasket. What is that? The cover?
The cover, the valve cover. This might be a little bit simple for y'all, but once y'all get in the tab, just go around. Try to keep getting under there. It might break off a lot, but if you keep getting under, you're good. And just scrape all around, and I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do to clean it. Alright, so I got most of the work done. I got the new one, the new gasket put on, lined up and stuff. The sealing is up there already. I just wanted to let y'all know, if y'all having a hard time taking the old one off, get a hair dryer, put it on the highest heat, and then start from around it. Once you get it nice and hot and warmed up, it should be pretty easy to take off. As long as you got a scraper or something sharp to get up under it. And I'm just about to put it back together. Make sure you clean this surface too. Get some brake cleaner and a shop towel and clean this off real nice, and you should be good. Just like y'all know, start with the middle bolt and then start to work your way out. So, and I always start with the bottom. Or you could just start with the bottom middle bolt and then go to the top one and then, you know, do it like that. But that's how I do it. Alright, so it's pretty much done. Just make sure you go back and tighten up all your bolts. I didn't use the torque wrench.
Okay. My turn.
I just tightened them so I couldn't tighten it anymore. And to clean it, I used Dawn dish soap and some shop rags. As you can see, it's not the cleanest. You can use brake cleaner. That's what you should use, brake cleaner. So, and it's all said and done. Just got to plug back in my ignition coils and we all good.